Let's go to China Square and see if we can find organizing containers. And also, if I don't find them in China Square, then I'm gonna have to go to House of Leather. China Square is further, and so is House of Leather. Outfit of the day is just all black, leather pants. Black on black on black.
Music, don't stop the groove, don't stop the music, don't stop the groove, don't stop the music, don't stop the groove.
Okay, if somebody could explain to me why organizing containers is so expensive, that would be great. I opted just to get food containers because it's the same amount of plastic, it takes the same amount of space, and actually the food containers are food safe. So I guess whatever I'm storing would be plastic safe, I don't know. But I just opted to get the food containers because they're way cheaper, and these are containers that I'm not going to be seeing so often, so there's no need to pay so much for a container. I got a lot of containers. I feel like my key here is to put everything in a container, and I hope that will make it easier to organize. But anyway, let me get started. Shove. I got tiny ones just in case. And I've got sachets for friends. So the only downside about these containers is these stickers. I've tried to like peel one off, but it's not. I guess maybe I'll have to put them in hot water, but I want to start organizing ASAP. So I'm like, I just washed them. Yeah, I don't know if this won't come off, but it was like, but it's not as bad. I saw these other containers that had like all of these like weird circles on them, and they had like the brand just whoopah, like painted on it. Like it's not even something you can take off. Something like this that it's clear, perfect. This, no sticker at all, perfecto. Let's get cracking. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to make, which says first aid. Not bad, first aid. I guess I could put it, let me get a ruler. See, I'll just use this box as my height reference just to make it easier for me. So I'm not like struggling every time measuring the height. I keep forgetting I'm missing a nail, so it's like, I don't know how to peel stuff minus nail. Is it? Oh my god, I didn't put it straight. Ah! How did I? Is it? Fanny 8, and it is cleanup day, and it's very important to look around everywhere completely to make sure that there is nothing left. So let's begin. I'm gonna put on my gloves, and then we can probably begin with this room. Already I see like it's not too much, but there's like a toothpick over there, and I guess we'll just have to go under the bed everywhere.
Don't stop the groove, don't stop the music, don't stop the groove, don't stop the music, don't stop the groove, don't stop the music, don't stop the groove. Her eyes write poems in my mind, just lovely words. Can't help but write about a smile when she said it first. Words I never heard. That's how she gets me every time, and it never hurts. I hope we make it last a while. We can make it work. naturally when you're near. Every word's fit you so well. Harmonized to you, singing songs you love to hear.